In this video, we're diving into one of Rotterdam's most incredible architectural gems, the Van Nelle Fabriek. This isn't just an old factory, it's a true pioneer of modern design and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Back in 1916, the Van Nelle Company bought some land right by the SG River, just outside Rotterdam. By 1925, they started building something truly revolutionary. And in 1931, the new tobacco factory was complete, designed by visionary architects Johannes Brinkman and Leendert van der Vlugt. The Van Nelle Fabriek isn't just a building, it's a bold statement from the 20th century, famous for its groundbreaking use of light, space, and materials. Its design perfectly embodies the nieuwe bouwen, or new building movement, basically the Dutch take on modernist architecture. Think clean lines, super functional forms, and tons of steel and glass. The Van Nelle Fabriek was one of the very first buildings in Europe to feature a curtain wall. This is a non-load-bearing glass facade, supported by an internal concrete frame. This flooded the interiors with natural light and symbolized a new era of transparency and openness in industrial design. Unlike older factories that needed thick, load-bearing walls, this frame allowed for huge, column-free interiors. It was a total game-changer for workflow and organization. This innovative structure also made those almost entirely glass curtain walls possible. The Van Nelle Fabriek wasn't just innovative in its looks, it was a pioneer in worker welfare. Under the leadership of director C.H. van der Loo, the factory offered amenities that were unheard of in the early 20th century. We're talking sports fields, a beautiful garden, a dining room, a library, and even hot showers. These were designed to boost the well-being and productivity of everyone who worked here. Production eventually stopped in 1995, and the factory faced an uncertain future. From 1999 to 2006, a massive renovation took place, preserving its unique character while adapting it for modern use. In 2008, the Van Nelle Fabriek won the prestigious Europa Nostra Conservation Award for its exceptional preservation. And then, in 2014, it officially became a UNESCO World Heritage Site, solidifying its place as a global architectural icon. Do you want to dive even deeper into this modernist world? Just a short trip away, right by the museum park in the city center, you'll find the Sonneveld House. This was the former residence of one of the Van Nelle directors, and it was also designed by Brinkman and van der Vlugt. Now a museum, the Sonneveld House offers a fascinating glimpse into the lifestyle of Rotterdam's elite during the interwar period. They even arrange visits to the Van Nelle Fabriek sometimes, so keep an eye out. Today, the Van Nelle Fabriek is a bustling, multifunctional space. It's home to innovative design and communication companies, serves as an incredible venue for all sorts of events, from conferences to exhibitions. And here's a pro tip for your visit. If you get the chance, make sure to head up to the roof. The panoramic views over Rotterdam are absolutely breathtaking and offer a whole new perspective on this incredible city. If you want to know about other places to visit in Rotterdam, don't forget to follow our channel and visit our website, rotterdam360.com.